Bakit magkano ba?
200 eh. Plus 40 yan. 240.
Tama.
5.
Tama. 500 lang.
Ano yan? Chicken? Pork?
Shrimp.
Fish?
Ah,
Ay, chicken pala to. Shrimp. Tok, tok.
Princess! Hi! Hi!
Five, 4, 3. Ah. Princess! Ay, salamat malamig. What? Where? What zoo? In Philippines?
Yeah. No, yeah, in Philippines.
In Philippines.
Yeah, with EJ, remember there's like a jaguar.
I wasn't there.
Huh?
I'm not there.
No, you were.
In the zoo? Mama, magkwento ka kasi.
Mamaya na ini-edit yan.
Ah,
Di ba yung balls? Kaya sila nakita.
you want that? Supermarket? Supermarket tayo.
Yeah, that was fun. I like it.
Ay, Princess, oh, that's you, oh. Ah.
You know who's you?
Yeah, you're big.
Who?
You're a big fat juicy big. It's like
This is so cute, oh.
you know which one I like?
What?
Mostly the one behind the strawberry. That's big.
A kiwi?
No, behind this one.
The pink and blue.
The pink and blue.
Ah, yeah, okay. Looks like bubble gum.
And the mermaid.
Inaya mo.
You want to try? Yes. I really want to try.
Can we try this one? I mean the heart.
Just one piece, right?
Yes. 75.
70
Whoa, look at these cute ones. I like this one.
You choose one. Yeah.
70 each?
You like something fruity or just something sweet? Maybe
Sis.
strawberry cheesecake.
97. What do
Oh
you
my
want?
gosh, there's roses. There's roses on. Oh my gosh.
25.
325.
Paano kung sisisip?
Ito, oh.
Let me know.
Princess, come here.
And the pink. I think so cute. Look at the pink, purple, dark purple. It's so cool.
Yay!
Thank you. Ah.
Wait for this.
Can I hold it?
You like it? Ito oh, yung may hipon.
Okay, sige. 100.
Ay! What's this?
Seafood pot. Thank you.
Thank you. What's that? Ay, ang galing oh. Parang yung nasa museum siya.
Mommy, look, they have tiger sugar.
Ito. Princess! Huh.
และแอปพลิเคชัน Baby Hood ค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
Taco Bell.
ท่านผู้มีอุปการะคุณคะปูเม่อี
Tara.
สาขาสามพระต้อง
Mom.
ได้จัดโปรโมชั่นเอเชียนสตรีท
Here, Princess. Oh. No more. Bigyan na. Bigyan. Ah! Pakita mo yung food. What's your food? American food pa rin. Ano to? Stir fried noodles. Noodles?
Kumain na kayo mo?
Pero ang sarap ng di pa.
Ay, kumain na. Gusto lang mo yung dapat magkakakot ng anak.
Magkano isa? 100. Sabi ba? Ano? She's gonna buy me some bags.
You pay your own money?
Kaya chismis ka ng bro eh. Sabi niya,
Traffic.